Are you looking for the best orbital sander? In this video, we will break down the top 4 orbital sanders on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DEWALT 20 volts Max Orbital Sander. DEWALT can be another great pick if you are looking for a power tools brand with multiple corded as well as cordless models. This DEWALT DCW210B random orbital sander is present in the 3rd position in this article as it is the most powerful cordless model mentioned here. It is able to offer such high levels of performance due to its 20-volt battery system that is quite great. It allows you to easily go up to 12,000 OPM orbit speed if needed for a given surface or object. Another great thing about DEWALT is that just like Makita, it also offers a 3-year-long warranty. You even get a great build quality that ensures that you can rely on this orbital sander for a long time. Talking about its build quality, it comes with an 8-hole system for changing sanding pads. At number 2. Makita BO5041K 5-inch Random Orbit Sander Kit. If power, efficiency and speedy performance are what you are aiming at, nothing can be a greater option than the above said sander from Makita. It has an excellent grip on the handle along with an easy control system. The convenience of use makes it a perfect pick for beginners and experienced. Installed with 2 triggers to switch it on and off with ease. Moreover, the speed control system is compatible with the speed of the sanding item. The excellent finish on the wooden surface has 1/8-inch orbit to make the work fast. It has a lock-on button, which is great when using the machine for long hours, and it gives ease of comfort. Therefore, it is suitable for convenience in a woodworking project for beginners. A unique feature is the automatic speeding up of the padding system as you operate the sander. At number 3. Bosch ROS20 VSC Palm Sander. With proven reliable performance, the Bosch ROS20 VSC Palm Sander is a great choice for hardcore DIY renovators, professional carpenters, or cabinet makers. The Bosch sander features an extremely powerful 2.5 amp 120 volt motor, and the constant response circuitry maintains the speed under load, which means any type of project will be completed in a flash. You can optimize the right speed for each individual task as the variable speed control is adjustable between 7,500 to 12,000 OPM. The 5-inch sander has an orbit diameter of 3/64 inch, and as it only weighs 3.5 pounds, it is the perfect sander for working on large surfaces, in tight corners, and completing detailed sanding jobs. The Bosch has an innovative integral pad dampening system, which features a microcellular backing pad that prevents swirl marks, and ensures a smooth finish on both flat and contoured surfaces. Changing sandpaper is made easy with Bosch's signature hook-tight hook and loop disc attachment. The ergonomic soft grip top is comfortable to hold and allows you to use multiple grip positions for ultimate control over the sander. Also, the sander produces a low vibration operation which gives you good comfortability for extended periods of use. An optimal onboard dust collection system includes a built-in microfilter that traps particles as small as 1/2 micron in diameter and prevents any spill back into the sander. The dust canister shows the dust level and it can be easily detached for mess-free cleanups. The orbital sander is compatible with standard 1¼ inch and 1½ inch vacuum hoses or any Bosch vacuum cleaner hose, and it features a dust-sealed switch. The Bosch Orbit Sander comes with a soft backing pad, a sanding disc, a vacuum hose adapter, and a large-sized professional-looking sturdy contractor bag. Bosch offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year manufacturer warranty. If you prefer a pistol grip style orbital sander, Bosch also makes one of these as well. At number 4. Porter Cable Random Orbit Sander. Sometimes you will not need a very powerful random orbit sander for your sanding projects. An affordable one with a 1.9 amp motor like the Porter Cable 382 will work just fine. Also, it is a compact and lightweight sander that will be easy to handle and maneuver for both DIY and professional woodworking projects. And like most top-notch random orbital sanders, it also comes with a dust-sealed switch that prevents dust ingestion for a longer lifespan. The Porter Cable 382 also has a 100% ball-bearing construction to make it a long-lasting sander. The controlled finishing system helps to maintain controllable pad speeds and also minimizes gauging when starting up the sander. Another great feature on this Porter cable sander is the dual-plane counterbalanced fan that is handy in reducing user fatigue when working for extended periods or on large workpieces.